Hi, I'm Bertha Moher. I will be sharing with you about our wonderful Thieves household cleaner. You may be already familiar with the Thieves essential oil, and this is in your kit, and it's a must-have for every family. This is the essential oil that Young Living has selected to infuse in all the personal care products and household cleaners. It is so powerful. In this video, as part of your journey through your starter kit series, I'll be sharing with you what Thieves household cleaner is and how it can be used throughout your home. Why would you consider using Thieves household cleaner? Because combining the strength of the Thieves essential oil blend with naturally derived plant-based ingredients, Thieves household cleaner brings you top-notch cleaning power that's just as safe as it is effective. You will love this product for its many health benefits. This is the ultra-concentrated multi-purpose solution that can be used on virtually every surface in your home and is safe enough to use around every member of your family, including your children who may walk around barefoot or help you do chores. And don't forget about your furry friends. I love that. It's not only the most healthy product to use throughout your home, but it's economical, and I love it's a time saver, and I'll explain why. It saves me both time and money from having to buy this type of product from the store over and over. Yes, that saves me time because this product can refill this size spray bottle 40 times, and it's about 10 ounces, or a 32-ounce spray bottle about 29 times. You only need half or a full capful of this type of solution for every type of dilution that you make, and the dilution ratios in the back. I love to make several bottles to have handy to have throughout the house, in my kitchen, bathrooms, and even my laundry. These household cleaners smell so good. It is a blend of rosemary, clove, eucalyptus, cinnamon, and lemon. Everyone loves the way it makes their home smell so fresh and clean. There's something to be said about when we don't have to spray and run away from the toxic fumes from the other household products sold in the stores. Remember this little packet that's in your premium starter kit? Don't forget to look in the secret compartment. It'll get you started. It is 1 ounce, and you can use it as a single use or even for 2 bottles, depending on the size of your spray bottles. This should hold you over until you get your full-size Thieves household cleaner. It is used for your kitchen countertops, cutting boards, inside and out of the oven, an amazing job for the oven, and refrigerator inside and out, kitchen cabinets, doorknobs, walls, and floors. What about the bathroom? You can use for the countertops, the toilet, and we make a DIY power scrub for the bathtubs, and works great even for hard water stains on faucets. If you've been wanting to make room under your sink, you can throw out all those other cleaning products and replace them with a few spray bottles that you mix for specific jobs with this 1 bottle of Thieves household cleaner. For example, for your windows, floors, light and heavy degreaser jobs, and even a DIY for furniture polish. You will find many of these DIY recipes online in Oily Family Business page. Of course, I realize the other products out there claim to do the same, but I'm going to ask you to load up a couple of free apps on your app, one or the other, and start scanning some of your old household cleaning products and be ready to be shocked on the ratings. Actually, you can use either one. One of them is ewg.org, and the other is thinkdirty.com. ewg.org and thinkdirty.com. You will quickly see that all those toxic chemical ingredients do not belong in our homes. And now that you have made the best decision to get your Thieves household cleaning products, don't delay to start using them. Every time you're cleaning any surface, reach for this product and start protecting your family with only the best. Thieves household cleaner. So enjoy your Young Living journey, and know because you have made the best decision for your family's well-being, you can enjoy the peace of mind your family is safe with no toxic chemicals in your home. Welcome to our family, and I wish you an abundance of health and wellness.